Easy. Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to make white caramel tea. And today in our ingredient we have sugar, we have margarine, we also have ginger, raw ginger. And so I'm going to show you how to make white caramel tea at home. So first thing first, you place your sugar crystal in your pan or in your sufuria, and then you start heating the way I'm doing until it attains amber color. We are almost there, almost getting the amber color. Just make sure that your sugar crystals has melted all of it. So this is the amber color that we are looking for. I add margarine. After adding margarine, make sure you stir so that it mixes. Yeah. So let it cook for half a minute before we add milk. And the trick here is that we are not adding milk directly to our caramel. Instead, we are going to add water, then we'll add milk after adding water. Add water. And so today I'm not going to use tea leaves. Instead, I'm going to use coffee, Nescafe. So after we have attained this, we are going to introduce our ginger, raw ginger. Actually, you just get your ginger, you smash it, and then you add, like mine already smashed, so I just add in. There we go. So you see it's boiling. Make sure your water mixed with the caramel boils before you're adding milk. I'm going to add milk. Yeah, so I'm going to use a cup of milk. So we are just going to wait for it to boil, to make sure that we have the nutrition benefit of the ginger. Yeah, raw ginger. You can see how it looks. So we wait for it to boil, then our Nescafe will add in our cup. But if you prefer, you can always add your Nescafe before you get it off fire. But I prefer using Nescafe in my cup. Stay tuned, stay watching. Keep it quick one, homemade. Do you see the cream? It's very creamy tea. This is white caramel tea, and this is episode 4 in our cooking series of white caramel tea. It's almost ready. Just commentating and being careful so that it doesn't pour out, doesn't come out. It can come up and pour outside. See, it's very creamy. There you go. There you go. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. There you go, guys. And there is our tea. You can see the caramel color and the cream. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Catch up with me each and every Monday, Wednesday and Friday for weekly food inspirational videos. Bye bye. Yeah, tea maker, caramel white tea maker. This is your boy Jayuga. Quick one, homemade, simple, nice and easy. Thank you guys for watching. Perfect tea for the perfect weather.